It is time to get out of Dodge and head for the hills. Come on along.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
Our ultimate destination is on the side of a mountain in Colorado, but we made a few stops along the way. We happened to be traveling down I-40, which goes right along the side of Route 66. So we made a couple of interesting stops there. We actually decided to stay at the Blue Swallow Motel. And you might ask why I'm staying in a motel when I have a camper van. But it's because I'm traveling with my brother, and this was just easier with all his stuff in the van. It's a really unique little hotel. It's most famous for its really cool neon lights and its authentic 1950s motif decor. We just happened to be sitting outside whenever the signs started lighting up, so that was really neat. And then I got to fly my drone. Something that we noticed was interesting, everybody that was staying there had a camera, and almost everybody came out and was conversing and hanging out and taking pictures and flying drones. It was a lot of fun. Let's check out this fire pit. Is that not the greatest? So normally in un-COVID times they have the seating kind of all around the fire pit, but they have them socially distanced now. Yeah. Here's the host. Come here, buddy.
Checking everything out. Yeah,
I think he has some business to do.
Maybe he does. So if you ever find yourself traveling through, Tucumcari is a really neat little town. Lots of cool Route 66 things to check out. Now, of course, this was COVID times, so a lot of things were closed, but we still made the best of it and had a really good time. So I'm going to leave you with a few shots of the little town of Tucumcari. I want to thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Y'all, stay lost, my friends. Still too windy for this. I don't know.